You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 104/15. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Group all x terms on the left side of the equation. Add x to both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 1/5 from both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 3. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 104/15.